Hi, welcome back in this new Shopify video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your settings or your preferences. So if people find your shop, what do they see in the search engine? So I would like them to see fashion trends, the newest fashion store online, for example. Then the hottest new fashion. Should write fashion like you should, and tone. Order today for a discount and free delivery. So this is just, let's save this. This is just the settings that they see. If somebody types in fashion trends, this is the page title in Google search engine and the description. So what the heck is Google Analytics? Now, you heard of Google, big ass company, they track everything that's happening. So if you want Google to track the visitors to your web shop so you can target them later on with using ads or anything else, you can use those visitors, you should get your Google Analytics account and paste the code from your Google account here. So how do I set this up? You just click it and you finally go to the Google Analytics page where you can sign up. This is an entire tutorial on how to set it up. So let me just show you. Analytics. Trying to type blind.google.com or something like it. So then it asks to log in with your Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, you're missing out on everything. So this is gonna be my email, Gmail. So sign up. If you haven't signed up, it's totally free, just sign up. If you've done that, you can see here, all accounts. And you can create new websites in here. Funnel building live, so now I want to make a new website. Oh. Take out a new layout. That always happens when you make a video. And somewhere here it should say add an account. Okay. I just don't have. So I'll have to do that again. Okay, you get the code from your website after you add your website in here. You go to bear, and here it says somewhere property settings. You can give your user ID or you can have your tracking code. And that's the tag that you want to have in your Shopify shop. Now let me go back to my Shopify, where I opened 47 screens. Paste your code here. Save this. So you went to Google Analytics, you signed up, you created your new website in here, property. Let me just go back. Funny how this works. Tag manager. And so. So this is a different way of installing your tag. So you just follow these steps, you get the tag, and you install that in your Shopify. Got too many tabs open, guys. This needs to go, this needs to go, this needs to go. After that, it says Facebook pixel. So how do you set up your Facebook pixel? That's really easy. You go to facebook.com/ads/manager. Then it asks you to sign up into your Facebook account. Then you see your own Facebook account. You select the one that you need. You go to Ads Manager, it says it up here. Ding, ding. You can see all my pixels here. I selected this, it takes a minute, you click on pixels. And in the past you could create different pixels and different audiences, you can still do that, but the main pixel code is the same. So your default pixel code, you can see the details of the pixel. You click on setup and it gives you the normal pixel code. Manually install the code and it just gives it to you. So like locate the code, the header code for your website. You can use advanced matching. The customer identifier, post, okay, Facebook. You can use this or not. First name variable. So you can target on different things. So we just copy this and paste this Facebook pixel ID. Now let me show you the pixel ID. It's in this code. This is the pixel ID. If you just copy and paste this, that's your pixel ID. So now you got all your tracking set up, but before we'll save this again, we'll have a little checkbox here that says Google reCAPTCHA. This is just to make sure that your web shop doesn't get spammed with all idiots that try to post their links onto your web shop. So in this video we talked about the preference section. We added the SEO titles and meta description of the web shop. We added the Google Analytics tag, Facebook pixel, and the Google reCAPTCHA. So see you in the next video.